Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video of my 24th birthday series.
Roses, peachy, I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender.
If you haven't watched my previous videos of the 24th birthday series, then I would say go check them out. I have linked all the videos in my description box down below. So basically I am posting a new video every single day till my birthday, which is on 11th September. So yeah. Okay, if you are getting any noise, please excuse that because bahar na bahut zor ki barish ho rahi hai. Can you hear it? It's so freaking loud. Anyway, in this video I will be sharing with you guys the equipments or the things I use for my shoots and all. Now if you're a beginner, trust me, you don't need all these fancy stuffs. All you need is your own creativity, good lighting, a decent phone, and most importantly some patience. When I started my channel, I only had my phone, the only equipment I had back then. But of course if you want to upgrade, then you can get help from this video. So मुझे ना ऐसे थोड़ी बहुत comments and DMs आते हैं asking me about the equipments I use. I have already made a video on equipments I use previously months back, but after that I have upgraded a lot. I have added so many things to my equipment list. I have bought a lot of things slowly, and this was only possible just because of you guys, because you guys have supported me this far. वरना कैसे करती मैं ये सब. Anyway, बहुत emotional बातें हो गई. So yeah, now let me show you the upgraded version of my equipments I use. Without further wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. First thing I want to show you guys is my backdrop stand. Now I did not buy this. This was my last year's birthday gift from my cousin and sister-in-law. So it's from the brand Decor. Shoes related things के लिए ना Decor is the best brand right now. I might be wrong, but जितना मुझे पता है उसके according ही मैं बता रही हूँ. I have seen so many YouTubers and influencers use Decor का सामान. आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा नहीं? And इस brand के reviews भी mostly positive ही होते हैं. So yes, I think you can trust this brand. So it comes with 2 tripod stands and 3 rods like this. बस आपको एक के साथ एक रॉड को ऐसे जोड़ना है. Then it will make one big rod like this and both sides को stand के साथ attach कर देना है, and that's it. Then you can increase or decrease the height of the stands. Maximum height तो इसकी बहुत ऊंचा है. I exactly don't know, but I guess it's around 7 feet or something. Now comes the backdrops I use. So I have basically 5 backdrops. The first backdrop is right behind me. It's this pink colored backdrop. इसका size ना exactly backdrop stand का जो size है वैसा ही है. I guess this is the standard size because मेरे सारे backdrop की size सेम ही है, except this one right here. So ये भी पिंक कलर की है, but ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है इसके हिसाब से. So this one is a smaller one. I bought this one first and उसके बाद मैंने ये खरीदी थी. Also I have 2 backdrops in white color just like this one. These are crease proof, so इसको आप जैसे भी रखोगे ना इसमें wrinkles नहीं आता है, which is great. But these are little bit see through. Wait, let me show you. It's very slightly see through. Like, can you see my hand? Yes. So what I do is first I hang the white backdrop, then उसके ऊपर मैं ये pink चढ़ा देती हूँ, तो see throughness चला जाता है. So yeah. And the 5th backdrop I have is this beige color backdrop. This is basically a bed sheet because I wanted a beige color backdrop and मुझे beige color की backdrop कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रही थी. Then I thought कि bed sheet में देखती हूँ, bed sheet में solid bed sheet जो होता है उसमें देखती हूँ. So I finally found this and I bought it. And इसके साथ ना 2 pillow cases भी आई थी. इसका size भी same ही है just like my other backdrops except this one. But the only problem is since it's a bed sheet, so it's not crease proof. Whenever I have to use this, I have to iron it first. Anyway, too much info. Then I have these clamps. ये भी मुझे ऐसा गिफ्ट मिली थी backdrop stand के साथ. So these clips are for the backdrop to hang them from the backdrop stand. बहुत ही अच्छी grip है इसकी. It's in this plastic material but still very sturdy. So if you're buying backdrop stand, then definitely buy some of these clips too because normal ऐसे छोटे clips से आप backdrop stand पे backdrop को hang नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको इस टाइप की clips की जरूरत होगी. Next I want to show you guys my tripods. So I have 2 tripods. The first one is this chotu sa tripod. So it is basically for my vlogging and all. It is from the brand Decor. This tripod is so handy and it's so small. Can you see how small it is? You can literally take this anywhere you want. Vlogging purpose के लिए if you are looking for a small tripod, then definitely you can check this out. You can move the head 360 degree like this. You can also increase the height of it a bit. Also the grip is really strong, very sturdy. I don't remember इसके साथ mobile mount आया था कि नहीं. Most probably आया था. So yes, इसके साथ आप मोबाइल माउंट अटैच कर सकते हो. You can not only use this for your camera but also for your phone too. The next tripod is my main tripod which I am using right now. So here is a free shot clip of the tripod for you guys. So it's from the brand called S5VO. इसके साथ ना मोबाइल माउंट आया था. So yes, आप इसको कैमरा एंड मोबाइल दोनों के लिए ही यूज कर सकते हो. Very sturdy tripod it is. I have been using it for like 1.5 year now and it's still in a perfect condition, touch wood. So इसका minimum height है 16 inch and maximum है 50 inch. So the height is very decent. I remember I had a tripod which was my first tripod. I bought that tripod when I started investing in equipments and मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी I did not want to invest too much. तो मैंने कम रेंज वाली ट्राइपॉड मैंने खरीदी थी एंड होना था वो हो गया, मुझे सबक मिल गई. सो फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू बाय एनीथिंग चीप, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू इक्विपमेंट्स, बिकॉज बहुत मैटर करता है इक्विपमेंट्स. सो यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन गुड थिंग्स. लाइक आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एकदम डिजिटेक वाला ही खरीदना चाहिए, बहुत पैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, नो, बट एटलीस्ट डिसेंट अमाउंट आपको इन्वेस्ट करना ही चाहिए इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन योर इक्विपमेंट्स. आई एम सेइंग दिस फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी. वो जो ट्राइपॉड था ना, मैंने लिटरली 2-3 बार यूज करी थी, उसके बाद से ना स्टार्टेड ब्रेकिंग. आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द ट्राइपॉड इन दैट इक्विपमेंट आई यूज वीडियो, द प्रीवियस वन आई मेड. सो यू गाइज वोंट बिलीव, मैं लिटरली जब वो वीडियो बना रही थी तभी वो ट्राइपॉड ब्रेक करने लगा धीरे धीरे से. बट दिस ट्राइपॉड विच आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ, इट्स so good. Like it wasn't even that pricey, it was for like 700 to 800 के बीच में था इसका प्राइस and it's still so good, like it's so perfect. Okay, next क्या दिखाना चाहिए? Okay, ring light. So this is my ring light right here and it's from this brand Osaka and it comes with this ring light तो of course, and इसके साथ एक tripod stand भी आई थी. The size of this ring light is 10 inch and the height of the tripod stand is 9 feet. That's the maximum height of the tripod. वैसे Digitech का ring light is the best if you have that much money to invest and if you want a proper ring light. Like ये ring light ही है but this is smaller, this is like so small. मुझे basically ring light की उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, like थोड़ी बहुत कभी कभार मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ ring light and इससे ना मेरी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से चली जाती है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई थॉट इससे ज्यादा पैसे इन्वेस्ट करना ऑन अ रिंग लाइट वोंट बी वर्थ इट फॉर मी. सो यहाँ पे ना एक मोबाइल माउंट होल्डर एंड एक मोबाइल माउंट भी था जहाँ पे आप अपने मोबाइल को अटैच कर सकते हो एंड इट हैज 3 काइंड ऑफ लाइट सेटिंग्स. यहाँ पे बटन दी हुई है, यहाँ से आप स्विच ऑन या ऑफ कर सकते हो, यहाँ से आप लाइट चेंज कर सकते हो एंड यहाँ से आप इसके ब्राइटनेस को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हो. इट हैज 3 काइंड ऑफ लाइट सेटिंग्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज अ मीडियम और नेचुरल वार्म टोन लाइट, सेकेंड cool tone light and lastly warmer tone light. And here you can see I'm increasing and decreasing the brightness of the ring light according to my choice. It has USB port, तो आप लैपटॉप, PC, चार्जर, पावर बैंक किसी के साथ भी आप इसे अटैच करके आप इसे ऑन कर सकते हो. Then I want to show you guys the round rugs I use for my shoots. So I have 2 rugs. The first one is, मैं इसे पूरा नहीं उठा पा रही हूँ because ये फिट नहीं होगा कैमरा पे. So it's this round jute rug. जब ऐसे मैं full outfit shoot करती हूँ तब I use this rug. You might have seen this. It looks really pretty and the quality is so good. ये बहुत सारी डिफरेंट साइजेस में अवेलेबल है Amazon पे. मैक्सिमम 6 फीट साइज तक अवेलेबल है. दिस वन साइज वाज 3 feet which is very decent. It just fulfills all my requirements. I felt like it was a little bit pricey but the quality they are providing is so good and ऊपर से जूट मटेरियल की है, so overall I think प्राइस ठीक ही है. आप ना इसको ऐसे रूम डेकोर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. It looks really good. The next rug I have is this round fur rug. I use this rug for my flatly shoots only and और भी बहुत सारी काम में आती है ये. This one is a little bit smaller than the jute rug. 30 inches है इसकी साइज to be specific. Quality you can see काफी ठीक ठाक टाइप की क्वालिटी है and the best part the fur doesn't come off. जब मैं खरीद रही थी ना उसी की मुझे टेंशन थी कि what if the fur comes off, but नहीं, ये नहीं होता है. चीप टाइप की भी नहीं लगती. It looks really beautiful. Again आप इसको रूम डेकोर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. Now I'm going to show you guys the decor items I use for my shoots like plants, planters, vases, lights and so on. The first one is a fake plant with a pot. It's right behind me. So it has 12 leaves. The leaves are a little bendable and the stem part is also flexible. The pot is made with plastic material. It's very steady. देख के नहीं लगता है कि प्लास्टिक मटेरियल है. बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है इसकी. I just totally love this. Then I have 2 vases. So this is the one and और एक भी है similarly like this one. So it comes in a pack of 2. ये भी प्लास्टिक मटेरियल का है but it doesn't even look like plastic. चीप भी नहीं लगता है, बहुत pretty है and the price was also very affordable. Next I have some fake flowers for the vases and I guess इसमें ऐसे 1 2 3 4 5 yes ऐसे 5 sticks आती है एक बंच में and look at the flowers. It looks so cute. ये flowers ना fabric material से बनी हुई है. I'm totally obsessed. These are available in so many other color options. Even white and black में भी available है. Then I want to show you guys some artificial bale plants which is right there. You can see. You can also use this as a room decor again. आप इसको wall hanging की तरह यूज कर सकते हो. ये भी fabric से बनाई गई है. It was a pack of 6. बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी की है and it looks so good. फुट। 6.5 इंचेस है एक एक बेल प्लांट की हाइट। एंड जब आपको ऐसे शो ही कर रही हूँ तो क्यों ना लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस प्लांटर्स। तो इसका ना दो ऐसे अलग अलग पार्ट्स हैं, लाइक द पॉट एंड द स्टैंड। द पॉट इज डिटैचेबल। आई बॉट दिस इन गोल्डन शेड। ऐसे पिंक, व्हाइट, ब्लैक पॉट्स के साथ भी अवेलेबल है ये। नाउ द मेन थिंग इज द क्वालिटी। सो काफी ठीक ठाक है, बट छोटा वाला स्टैंड से ना थोड़ा सा मतलब द कलर इज कमिंग ऑफ। कैन यू सी? सो ये आया था ठीक ठाक ही, बट द कलर वाज स्टार्टेड कमिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम 2 to 3 weeks ago. I use this for my shoots only, so मेरे लिए ये इतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट करता है. But if you are buying this as a room decor, then that can be a problem. Also, one of the taller one's leg is a little bended, like you can see. ये ऐसे ही आया था. I did not place the replacement order because मुझे एक शूट करनी थी इसको लेके. तो अगर रिप्लेस करती ना तो बहुत टाइम लग जाता. I did not have the time, so I kept this one. Like these problems are very minimal. ये ऐसा कुछ huge problem नहीं क्रिएट करता है. Also, I don't know ये सारा problems मेरे साथ हुआ है तो आपके साथ भी होगा कि नहीं. I'm not saying this is a bad product or anything. I just shared with you guys my side of story. बाकी I loved it. It's very fancy, very classy and बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है. And lastly, I want to show you guys my fairy lights. So I have two of them. One you can see right there and another one is here. दोनों की ही same warm tone light है, but इसका size है 5 meter and it has 50 lights and इसका size है 10 meter and it has 100 lights. दोनों की ऐसे USB ports है because बैटरी वाली fairy lights मैं नहीं खरीदती हूँ. बैटरी कभी भी डेड हो सकती है and I don't want to risk it. I have been using this fairy light from over 1.5 year and ये भी मैं almost 1 year से use कर रही हूँ and दोनों की condition is really good. Touch wood again. Now camera and all के लिए I used to use my phone which is Redmi Note 8 Pro and I used my front camera to shoot all my videos and pictures, but I have bought a camera this year. You might know this already and now I shoot everything with my camera. So I use Canon G7X Mark II and for audio I have never used external mic or anything like that. So yeah guys, these are all the stuffs and equipments I use to shoot and to film everything. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I am posting a new video every single day till this Sunday, so you don't want to miss out any of those videos, right? Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. Comment down below if you have any queries or any video requests or like anything. You can comment down below except negative comments. Share this video and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.